This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Johnson Cicchitti. New construction home under construction with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms in Malloy Terrace. Large 2-story home with 2,218 square feet that has an open floor plan with lots of natural light and gas-tiled fireplace. Elegant large kitchen with granite, lots of soft close cabinets and kitchen stainless appliances include. Large back deck to relax and enjoy your yard. Large master bedroom upstairs with walk-in closet and bathroom with walk-in tiled shower and double vanity. For more information, review the details below.